Today let's talk about how to use the Chase app photo statement feature. Now within the Chase application, it does not have a feature to take a photo of a paper statement or to upload it. So if you're looking to view the statement digitally or capture the external documents, you need to head over to the Chase's other photo or document management feature. So one of the features include the viewing the digital statement. So instead of taking the photo of the physical mail, you could view or even download the PDF directly inside of the application. All you want to do is head over to the profile icon on the top, head over to these statements and documents, and as I said, you could either view or download the PDF. Secondly, you could also capture receipts. So if you have the Chase business card like the Chase Inc. card, you could take photos of the physical receipts and attach them to your transaction statement for the tax tracking. So simply head over to your business account and find the specific transaction and then select the option which says capture or attach receipt. So these are some of the benefits or the options that you have. I do hope this card video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.